So guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I know it's a bit of a weird one because we're in 2022 and I should really be talking about the devices that have coming out in 2022 and this was in 2021. But I've noticed that a lot of people did a video on this phone, but they forgot one piece of video they forgot to do, which is who is this phone really for and what audience do Samsung targeting this device to? Let's find out, shall we? Right, so guys, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 I've had from pretty much when it came out, and I've had it a whole year, and yeah, it's been one of them devices that I just keep at home, and I never really take it out with me or really daily drive it unless when I come back home. And I have explained this in previous of my videos as well, that only when I come back home then I actually get onto this device and actually use it. But whenever I'm out, I always have my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Not because it's better than this phone and it does way better and has way better features than this phone. It's just because of the practicality of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is a phone, but this is a very weird phone, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, who's this phone really for? Well, like I said to you guys, I gave you an example of I never take it out with me. Only when I'm testing something on the phone to make a video on, then I take it out for a test drive. But you would not catch me with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 outside. That's just not gonna happen. It's not practical at all. So the phone, this phone, the person that is really is for like a student, someone that goes to uni, someone that goes to school, someone that that needs to take like note downs on like a tablet, for example. And because the tablet is so big, this was the perfect size. You can literally have an S Pen, and good thing as well that Samsung actually made the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 S Pen compatible, but you just have to buy the S Pen separately. S Pen compatible, so you can literally have a small little, I'll say maybe probably this is probably like a kind of like an A5 size of paper. You can just hold it with one hand and just have the S Pen and just take down notes while you're listening to the lecturer in the lecture. Just literally take notes down instead of having a big 7.7 inch or 7.5 inch or even a 10 inch or 11 inch tablet just there, and you're having to work with it. And the best thing about this tablet, well, not tablet, but this phablet, is the fact when you finish in class, you can literally fold it and put it in your bag straight away, and that's it, literally. And that's who I think this device is for. I think it's for someone that goes to a lot of classes. Maybe you're in uni or something like that. So not only you got the ability to make calls and phone people and FaceTime and whatever on the front of the device, or even when you open it up, you also have the feature to open it up and use it as a notepad to collect your notes from uni or whatever like that, or in school or anything like that, which is absolutely awesome. And then coming to who else this device is for, I feel like this device is for someone that stays at home a lot, as in like you go to work and you work little hours and then you come back home and you're pretty much at home all day. Beautiful, literally beautiful. You can do whatever you want on this phone. You can have it open, you can take advantage of the screen real estate, and you can do whatever you want on it. Instagram, Facebook, social media, YouTube content, everything. You can use this device, and the camera is brilliant as well. You can even make your videos or make any kind of videos, TikTok, YouTube, do whatever you want, and you can even edit on the screen as well. You just have to download the editing software and just turn it landscape, and it's literally like editing on the PC. It's big, you can really stretch yourself out, you can really move things, edit things, cut, paste, whatever, because of that big screen real estate that you have, which is absolutely awesome. But if you're someone that goes out and work like I do, my job, this is not the phone for you at all. You might, if you really enjoyed the phone and liked it and really wanted a device like this, you can have it. don't get me wrong, you can have it, but it just won't be good for you when you go to work. You can have it like I do, have it at home. When you come back, you know it's there, straight on it, you grab it and you start using it. That's what I do. But in my opinion, this phone is not for someone that is very, very outgoing, kind of like, you know, up and out, going, doing things, you know, going hiking, going to play football or just anything like that. Something that you're very, like an activity that you're very, you know, athletic, you know, there's a lot of things going on. This phone ain't for you. This phone just is not for you, because you drop this thing, you're pretty much screwed. And also the practicality as well, it's not it at all. If you're doing, like I said, if you're going out doing big things and, you know, you have a lot of activities in the day or something like that, I'm sorry, but I don't really want to be whipping this out, opening it up and holding it with one hand and using the other hand to tap away and blah blah blah, because everything's happening so quickly, and you want to check something real quick, you pull it out and boom, you check it. I don't really want to be opening the screen and having to text back or anything like that, and then closing the screen and then having to use two hands as well. What about if I'm holding something in one of my hands? I can't. I have to drop it down, open it up. Do I have to close it, pick it back up? Nah, it's literally, you just pull it out, boom, you got what you're doing, handheld, one handheld, you just do your thing, straight back in your pocket, and straight back to what you got to do. So yeah, this is why I say this phone is not for everyone. It's for a certain amount of people that that need the phone and can work in their kind of lifestyle. And also Samsung has brought this phone out for a certain customer, which is people that for example work in the office, people that stay at home, people that, you know, content creators that, you know, they spend most of the time in front of a camera or even in front of a desk on a computer editing and whatever. And literally you can be on your desk editing your videos and you can have this on the side. You've got a nice big screen real estate. You can, you know, do whatever you want. Even streamers, you can just have it there, just sitting, and you can see your comments and see your subscriptions and whatnot, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, personally, this is not a phone for me. As a daily driver, this is not the phone for me at all, because it's just not practical enough for me. Because I want to be able to take my phone out, look at the time, do what I have to do quickly and put it back in. I don't really want to be taking it out, opening it up, and then looking and then feeling for where the unlock button is, unlock it, and then text back with two hands, because you cannot text using one hand in this phone. You can't do it. You cannot stretch all the way there unless you're 8 foot or 6 foot, you got some massive big ass hands, then yeah, you need two hands. But yeah, hopefully this video really you do understand who this phone really is meant for, because yeah, that's just my opinion. If you guys have your opinion, comment down in the comment section below. Tell me what you think, who this phone is really for, because right now, that's my opinion, is it's not really for someone that is literally that has the lifestyle of run and go, because it's just not going to work for you at all unless you have the time to be able to open it up, do what you got to do or whatever. But yeah, if you're a run and gun person, this isn't for you. If you're someone that is more relaxed, more chilled out, and you got more time, then 100% go and get yourself one of these. You will not regret it at all. The whole screen real estate is just absolutely beautiful. Anyway guys, that's all I have for you today. And then yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this and you guys are excited for my new PC build that I mentioned in my last video, and yeah, you want to see more content and more new tech on this channel, then hit that subscribe button, like the video as well, and yeah, like I said, comment down below and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Today I've been to the gym. I just went to the gym in the morning, came back home and did this video. So yeah, my other video I had to shoot to the gym straight after the video, but yeah, today I'm gonna literally just edit the video. But yeah, I'm training, you know, trying to get big, you know how it is. But yeah, if you guys want to see some gym videos, yeah, just let me know, and I'll try my best. I'm a shy person with the cameras in the gym, but you know what, if you guys want it, I gotta do it. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S22